In this video, we will be replacing the puddle lamps on this 2012 Ford F150. For this repair, we will be taking a look at our side mirrors, and more specifically, if we take a look at the bottom of the mirror, we can see that puddle light. And using a small standard head screwdriver, we can work that puddle lamp out. And we can work off our two electrical connections. And I do like to compare my new part with my old part, just to make sure that they look about the same. These look good. And we can connect our new component. And we can feed those wires in and clip that in place. And last thing is to test it out. And the passenger side is the exact same. First, using that standard head screwdriver to work our puddle lamp out, disconnecting both of the electrical connections and reconnecting that with our new unit. We can install that in place and test it out. And this repair is complete.